Kabayan, kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng ready for occupancy, I can offer this property na located sa 13 Martires, Cavite. So this is a single attached unit at ang kanyang location is end lot. So meron nga itong 3 bedrooms at ang kanyang lot area, since ito ay end unit, 132 square meters and floor area is 66 square meters. And few minutes lang away ito from SM 13 Martires. So this is the actual unit turnover. Silipin natin. So the ready for occupancy na available, kabayan, is the Louisa model with balcony and unit. So tara pasukin natin ang actual turnover niya. So lot area ng end unit is 132 square meters. This is the living area. And small steps going here. Ito naman ang dining area. So itong sliding door na to, access papuntang lanay. Then kasama na itong kitchen counter upon turnover. Meron itong toilet and bath sa ground floor. Complete fixtures then upon turnover. And this door will lead you to the service area. Check na natin ang second floor. Here at the second floor, kabayan, may 3 bedrooms and common toilet and bath. So this is the bedroom number 1. So for the bedroom 1, meron na yung partition and kasya dito hanggang single to double size bed. Now for the bedroom number 2, ito naman. Ayan, may malalaking windows din yan, sliding window. And of course, kasya din hanggang single to double size bed. And for the last bedroom, ayan. So kasya hanggang queen size bed at meron itong balcony. So this is the access door going to the balcony. So merong common toilet and bath dito sa second floor.
At ito nga ang neighborhood kung saan nakatayo ang end unit na ready for occupancy. By the way, this is available through bank financing at kung ikaw naman ay isang Pag-ibig member ay pwede din ito sa Pag-ibig financing. At ang maganda pa dito sa Golden Horizon ay kahit ready for occupancy na ito, ang kanyang down payment is stretchable up to 24 months. At complete amenities din dito, kabayan. Kaya naman kung gusto mong mag-viewing, message na. This is Tinyap of Exasia Properties.